Hello marketers! Are you looking for a way that can answer any question, from looking up simple facts to explaining complicated concepts? Because you'll get answers right from your browser, you won't have to waste time sifting through random Google results. Even be able to generate an outline for pitch decks, campaigns, and blog posts so your content starts off on the right track? Yes, today I will discuss about such a software. So let's begin. The software I'll discuss today is Voila. Voila is an AI-powered browser extension that helps you create high-quality content, get answers to questions, and boost your productivity. Features. Get instant answers to questions about any topic right from your browser. Speed up how you craft professional emails with the powerful Gmail integration. You'll get everything you need to write high-quality marketing content. Speed up your workflow with convenient shortcuts, and more. Price. Currently, they have 3 plans running, and 1 is coming soon. Free. Try Voila for free, no credit card is required. 100 free requests, and email support. Premium, 3,000 requests per month, faster processing, auto AI model, GPT 3.5/GPT-4, email support, and early access to new features for $8 per month. And ultimate, unlimited requests, priority processing, ability to select AI model, email support, and early access to new features for $24 per month. But they have 2 lifetime deals. License Tier 1, 2,000 requests per month, and auto AI model, GPT 3.5/GPT-4, for $29 instead of $96. And license Tier 2, unlimited requests per month and ability to select AI model for $119 instead of $288. Features included in all plans: Chrome extension, craft emails, create blog posts, essays, and domain-specific documents in product development. Create UX, marketing, engineering, sales, advertising, and SEO content. Fix spelling and grammar. Translate text. Extract key information from any document. All integrations and future added integrations. Customer review. You will be amazed if you see their reviews. They have 118 reviews on the Appsumo, and Trustpilot has only 1 review. Please remember, they have only 15 days to end this deal. So, take advantage of this opportunity to save time and increase productivity. Check the link in the description for a lifetime deal and an extra 10% discount today. Remember to comment if you need a review of any software. Oh wait! If you need a video editor, audio engineer, or YouTube manager, feel free to contact us. See you in the following video. Thank you.